Good afternoon, viewers and listeners. Welcome once again to Salida TeleRadyo of La Filipina National High School. I am your teacher host, Teacher Edward Pimoring, and this afternoon, you will learn many things about equation of a circle. Lesson in Mathematics 10, Quarter 2, Module 8. Are you all ready? Let's give the floor to teacher broadcaster, Sir RAMEL ABAY.
Good afternoon, students. I am your teacher for today, Sir RAMEL ABAY. And today, we will be learning about the equation of the circle. This topic is found in your Quarter 2 Math Module number 8. Your task today is to transform the standard form of an equation of a circle into the general form. It means that at the end of this lesson, you should be able to, again, transform standard form of an equation of a circle into a general form. But before we will start our discussion for today, I want you to get a piece of paper and a ball pen. Kay kinahanglan gyud nga magsulat ka. Okay? I will give you 10 seconds to do that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, naanay papel o ball pen? Are you ready? Do you still remember your grade 8 lesson about square of binomial? Square of binomial. Let's recall first the meaning of a binomial. What is a binomial? Very good. A binomial is a polynomial with two terms. And terms are separated by plus or minus. We have here an example. A plus B. A is a term and B is another term, which is separated by a plus sign. In this example, we have two terms, the A and the B. And A plus B is a binomial. What if we are going to square the A plus B? Or shall we say, quantity A plus B squared? Or we can say that quantity A plus B raised to the power of 2. Or quantity A minus B squared. What would be our answer? Okay, kuhain mong papel, kuhain mong ballpen, let's answer it together. Isulat. Andam na? Okay, so A plus B squared, quantity A plus B squared equals. Nasulat na. Okay, so this is how we are going to answer this one. Una, square the A. That is A squared. Then, the next one is you multiply the A times the B times 2. That is 2AB. You write there plus 2AB. Then the next one, the last one, you square the B. That is B squared or B to the power of 2. Remember, in squaring a binomial, the result is a perfect square trinomial. So, ang atong answer, we have three terms. Natay to look at terms sa atong answer. We have the first term, the middle term, and the last term. So, tulog yun na kabuk term ay hang answer when we square a binomial. So, in this case, the quantity A plus B squared. So, the first term sa atong answer is you square the A, that's A squared. Then, the middle term, you multiply the A and the B. So, A times B times 2. Ayaw kalimti nga, times 2. That is 2AB. Since it is positive, that is plus 2ab. And the last term sa tong answer is you square the b. That is b squared. Okay? So we have here another example. Quantity a minus b squared. Isulat. Quantity a minus b squared equals our first term of in our answer, that is a squared. So you square the a, that's a squared. Then the middle term, you multiply a times negative b. Bakit negative b? Kasi that is minus b. So a times negative b. So that is negative ab. And do not forget to multiply it by 2. So negative ab times 2, that is negative 2ab. Since it is negative 2ab, you write there minus 2ab. So isulat minus 2ab. So the last term is you square the negative b. That is positive b squared. Since it is positive, so you write plus b squared. So atong answer karon would be a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Mauna ang atong pattern in squaring a binomial. So in squaring a binomial, to sum it up, first, you square the a, that a squared, multiply the a times b times 2, that is 2ab in your middle term, and the last is you square the b, that's b squared. Okay? So let's try this example. You get a pen and a paper, and let's try this example. Andam na? Okay, sige. Square the following binomials. We have here number 1. Aminaw. Number 1, quantity x plus 2 squared. Again, quantity x plus 2 squared. Okay? Number 2, quantity y minus 3 squared. Quantity y minus 3 squared. I will give you 2 minutes to answer this. Okay? Your time starts now. Okay, time is up. Let's check your answer. Tanawan na to kung nakakuha ba mo. So we have here number 1, x plus 2 squared. Quantity x plus 2 squared. So how we are going to answer this one? First, square the x, that is x squared. That would be your first term sa imong answer. Next, multiply x times 2, that's 2x. Times 2, that's 4x. Since it is positive, that's plus 4x. The last one is square the 2, that is positive 4. That is plus 4. So your answer now is x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay? Next, we have the number 2. Quantity y minus 3 squared is equal to, yes, square the first term, y squared. Then, multiply y times negative 3, that is y times negative 3, that's negative 3y. Pagkahuman, multiply it by 2, that's negative 6y. Kay tungod negative 6y, you subtract it, minus 6y. Then, that is your middle term. Ang last term sa mong answer is square the negative 3. Negative 3 kay minus 3 man siya. So, negative 3 squared, that is positive 9. So, that is plus 9. So, y squared minus 6y plus 9. And that is the answer of number 2. Okay? Did you get the correct answer? If yes, you are ready now to transform the the standard form of an equation of a circle into the general form. Unsa ba ning standard form sa equation of a circle? Because we have standard form and we have the general form. However, bisag asa na nga form, equation gihapon na sa circle. Pero unsa itsura sa standard form of an equation of a circle? Imagine ba ninyo? Okay. So, kuhain mong papel kay magsulat na pud ta. Okay, so this is now the standard form of an equation of a circle. Isulat, standard form of an equation of a circle. Ready? Okay, so quantity x minus h squared. O diba? Binomial. Quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared. Quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Again, this is the standard form of an equation of a circle. Quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared equals r squared. Now, your h and the k there, di ba kita ninyo na h na k, mao na ang center sa circle. HK is the center of the circle. And the r is the radius of the circle. Kanang r squared din ha nga inyong gisulat, dili na mao yung radius. Ang r ang radius. Ha? Say pasabot ana, ang r squared dili ang radius, ang r ang radius. Kaya kung gusto nimo kuhaon ang radius, you get the square root of r squared. And that is equal to r. So, the r there is the radius. Okay? So, let's look at unsa pud ning general form. So, isulat sa imuhang papel. Sulat din ha, general form of an equation of a circle. Isulat kay para makita gyud nimo, no? So, para di lang nimo siya ma-imagine. So, this is now the general form. Butay title, general form of an equation of a circle. Ready? Okay. X squared plus y squared plus capital letter D, small letter x plus capital letter E, small letter y plus capital letter F is equal to 0. So that is the general form of an equation of a circle. Again, sige ha, x squared plus y squared plus capital letter D, small letter x plus capital letter E, small letter y plus capital letter F is equal to 0. The D and the E and the F there are real numbers. Kaya kung dili na sila real numbers, di na siya mahimong equation sa circle. So, your D, E, and F are real numbers mo na iyahang kondisyon. Okay? So, now, we will be transforming the standard form, kaya pwede mo na siya from the standard form to a general form equation of the circle. Now, karong adlaw, we will be transforming the standard form. The standard form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Mo ng standard form. Himo na tong general form nga mahimo siyang form nga x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Okay? So, let's try this example. Okay. Kami now. Sulat ang given. No? Or kung makuha niyo ang question, masulat, mas maayo. Okay? So, this is now the question. What is the general form of the equation of the circle with center 2, 5 and the radius of 7? The center is 2, 5, meaning that's ordered pair. Diba? Sa Cartesian plane, 2, 5. Ang x, 2, and y is 5. So, that's 2, 5. So, the center is at 2, 5. Ang center daw naa sa point or ordered pair nga 2, 5. And the radius of 7. Okay? Nasulat na? Center, 2, 5. Radius is 7. Diba? Naging yun ko that the center is the HK. So, sa gitong center? HK. Tapos, ang given is 2, 5. So what is the h there? Very good. That's 2. How about the k? Very good. It's 5. And the radius is 7. So, wala pa tay equation sa circle. However, establish na itong equation sa circle kaya para makuha na itong general form. But, masayon kung ang atong buhaton maghimo sa ta og standard form kay naa may center h, k, na ay 2, tapos na ay 5. So, the standard form of the equation of the circle, sa ganito, quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. Nasulat na. Okay, sulat. Kay atong solbon, quantity x minus h squared plus quantity y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So, our h is 2, tama? Our k is 5, tama? And the r is 7. So, ato nang i-substitute dito sa ato ang standard form of the equation of the circle. So, mahimo na siyang quantity, isulat, sige, isulat na to. Quantity x minus 2 squared plus quantity y minus 5 squared is equal to 7 squared. Nakuha? Quantity x minus 2 squared plus quantity y minus 5 squared is equal to 7 squared. Then, ang 7 squared, ato na siyang i-expand. So, ang 7 squared, diba, that's 7 times 7, that is equal to 49. So, quantity x minus 2 squared plus quantity y minus 5 squared is equal to 49. And that is the standard form. Standard form pa lang na, wala pa ta sa general form. Kay, ang given, kay ang center o ang radius. So, kinahanglan magkuha gyud tag equation sa circle. So, standard form pa lang na siya. So, we have here, himuon na to siyang general form. So, ang general form, from there, gikan sa standard, di ba ang standard x minus 2 squared plus quantity y minus 5 squared is equal to 49. Di ba, naatay duha ka square binomial din na, ato nang i-expand. Ba, atong gidiscuss ganina earlier nga, how to square a binomial. So, magamit na yun nato to. So, let's start first with the quantity x minus 2 squared. Sa gito'y buhaton, square the x, that's x squared. Multiply x times negative 2, that's negative 2x, times 2, that's negative 4x. So, mahimo siyang x squared, tapos minus 4x. Nasulat na. Then, ang last term, di ba kay trinomial man ang iyang answer? The last term is the negative 2 squared, that is positive 4. That's plus 4. Plus expand the y minus 5 squared. So, y squared minus y times negative 5, that's negative 5y, times 2, that's negative 10y. So, minus 10y, square the negative 5, that's plus 25, is equal to 49. Now, so mahimo na siyang x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus y squared minus 10y plus 25 is equal to 49. So, let's combine the like terms and arrange the variable in descending order. So, mag-una gid ta sa highest exponent. So, we have here x squared. So, isulat x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 10y plus atong mga constant nga 25 plus 4. Tapos, ang 49, you transpose that one to the left side of the equation. Ang 49, mahimo ng negative 49 or minus 49. So, mahimo siyang 25 plus, mahimo siyang x squared plus y squared minus 4x minus 10y. So, 25 plus 4 minus 49, that is minus 20 is equal to 0. So, that is now the general form equation of our circle. Nakuha? Okay. Very good. Let's practice more. Transform the standard form of the equation of the circle. Isulat. Quantity x minus 3 squared plus quantity y plus 10 squared is equal to 25 into the general form. Again, quantity x minus 3 squared plus quantity y plus 10 squared is equal to 25. I will give you 2 minutes to answer. Time is up. So, our answer is, we have here x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 20y plus 84 is equal to 0. Did you get it right? Very good. If you have more questions, you can ask your math teachers about it. And that ends of our lesson for today. I am Sir RAMEL ABAY. Good day, everyone.
That was great! Thank you, Sir RAMEL. And thank you to our viewers and listeners for tuning in. I hope that you have learned something today. Once again, I am your teacher host, Sir Edward P. Moring, saying, if math is hard, and so is life, then get over it. Bye-bye!